Now, speaking about the installation and the deployment process, how does typical deployment process look like for a company that might be potentially thinking to switch from this traditional setup with Elasticsearch to ParadeDB? And like how long it might take, how difficult or easy that is?
Yeah, that's a good question. It depends on the situation. In general, what customers do today is they have a Postgres database. At least the customers we service, they have a Postgres database and they have this ETL or data pipeline between that and between their Elastic. When they deploy Parade, they essentially add us to their existing Postgres and the data is already there. So they don't need to move data. What they will need to do for the migration is they will need to write new code for their application that actually queries a ParadeDB database instead of an Elasticsearch. And our query syntax is slightly different than Elastic. That's really where most of the work is. Now, the reason I said it depends is because it depends how complex their Elasticsearch story is. For some companies, it can be a matter of a few hours. Some companies, it can be as much as 2 weeks, let's say, if they have a lot of queries.